Hey guys, this is Derek. I wanted to talk to you about a new tool for accident reconstructionists called Crashybara. The purpose of Crashybara is to get NHTSA crash test information as quickly as possible so you can speed up your workflows. I'm going to go ahead and dive right into the tool. And the first thing you'll notice here is the interface is going to be pretty familiar to those who have used CISS before. These top two variables here are really just to show you what's available in Crashybara. So we've got 2016 to 2024 CISS. So we have every single EDR enabled crash test in CISS. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through a typical search just to get the basics. Vehicle make, I'm going to specify Toyota. And one thing to note here is every single variable is multi-selectable. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing a Camry search, but I could also add Corolla to it as well. And the same thing for the sister years and everything else. So the first thing you'll notice is there are too many results. Please add more filters. So one of the rules of Crashybara is your search has to be with 300 results or less. So I'm going to go ahead and add a primary impact plane of back. And now you can see a real-time update of 104 crash impacts match your search. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. This is a verification page you can use before you unlock a credit. I'm not going to get into the credits in this video. If you want to learn more about the credits and all the minutia, watch the subscriptions and credits video, and you can learn all about that there. I'm just going to go ahead and show you. These are all the search parameters that you entered from the previous page. And you've got blurred out photos at this point, but you'll see we have Toyota Camry back for all of them, and then anything for the other vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock this, use one credit. The first thing you'll notice is the interface loads really fast. And I just wanted to note that there are no real-time requests made to NHTSA servers. Everything is going to be fully on Crashybara servers. So it's going to go as quickly as possible. So at this point, this is the second rule of Crashybara. You can make up to 10 selections for your PowerPoint export. So I'm going to go ahead and just make some selections. And you'll see as you select, the card here gets darker and the number selected is updated. And at the bottom, you're going to have 10 results per page. And so here we have 11 pages of results. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a few for you and show you what an export looks like. So I've got 7 out of 10 selected, and I'm going to go ahead and export this to PowerPoint. So there you go. The PowerPoint is ready. Now I'm just going to comment on the elements in the PowerPoint. So the top left is the case ID. And if you control click this, it will take you directly to the case. So you can go ahead and investigate whether you want to use this and go ahead and calculate your EDR information. This is just a table of the important information of the two vehicles involved. So this is event number 2 between vehicle 3 and 1, year, make, and model, and damage plane. There is a white space here available for you at the bottom of the page. And you can go ahead and put your text information for your delta V that you're going to calculate. And so that's the final note here is there's no delta V calculation done by Crashybara. That's always going to be on the engineer or analyst to determine. So here we are. There's all of our results. And one thing worth noting too is on the interface, this display photo is slightly more narrow than the exported photo. So the images are a little bit wider, and that's just to display this in a neat way while you're selecting. So I'm going to show you one more advanced search. And so what I'm going to do here is there's actually a vehicle 2 toggle, so you can control what the Toyota Camry was struck by. And so my 2 favorite variables for this vehicle 2 toggle is the impact plane and the body type. So I'm going to go ahead and select vans and trucks, and I'm going to do frontal. So I'm looking for inline collision with vans and trucks hitting our Toyota Camry in the rear. So same situation, verification page, and now I can view all the results. And so we're going to see only vans and trucks. And I'll just go ahead and show you what the export looks like one more time. Okay. And there you have it. You have your Camry's inline collision with vans and trucks. And I just wanted to take a second here I've used this tool in my casework, and it's saved me approximately 2 to 3 hours per case. So I hope this can be of help to you in the future. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at support@crashybara.com. Thanks.